We divide 674 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 674 divided by 5 is 134.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.